with those split ends showing and the hair feeling really rough. The lockdown's not ending anytime soon and the salons are shut. So I thought I'll show you two different techniques which can help you get rid of those split ends at home. These are dusting and twisting. So let's go ahead and learn how to get rid of the split ends at home. Okay, so for the technique we require 3 brushes, a clip, comb, a pair of scissors. Divide our hair into 2 sections. And the first one that I'll be showing you is twisting. Now once you divide the hair into 2, start from the bottom. Always the bottom hair has much more split ends than the rest of the hair because we tend to be a little more rough with the bottom hair, and we start twisting. Now when you twist, you realize that there's a lot of these ends which start jutting out. We just try to find the splits in this. You'll very easily find out the difference and you cut them. Try and cut it a little above the split so that all the dead hair gets cut and you don't get another split end after. Typically the splits are only between the middle ends and the ends, not near the roots. After this step, we take another section and we work our way up. Again, twist, and I see those ends jutting out, and then I cut. 2-3 sittings before you actually see a very big difference, in case you have too many split ends, of course. I assure you, like, doing this, I immediately sense a difference in my hair. My hair definitely feels less rough. Now right after this, it'll be nice if you can take some castor oil or some serum or some coconut oil, rub it on your palms and apply it on your hair like that. So that way you're providing nourishment to you. Now the next technique is called dusting. This is my personal favorite. I think it really works wonders. I really feel like it's way faster in terms of result compared to the twisting technique. So again, I've divided my hair into half. I'm going to again start at the bottom and then work my way up. In this technique, I take this section of the hair and place it between 2 of my fingers and start sliding down like that. This way you actually see the split ends very clearly and very easy to cut. My hair feels so much better just in one go, and again I'm going to take some oil or I'll take some serum and apply it on my hair in downward motion like this in order to nourish the hair. It is very important for you to do this process like at least 2 to 3 times to see a good result in your hair. And do try it. Let us know whether you like the technique or not. If it worked for you, reach out to us on comments and I will definitely help you out if there's any query at all. All the best.